let's have a look at how you should lay your questions out in a Word file. So this is going to contain my multiple choice questions, and I've got 4 questions here. Now you want to keep the formatting as simple as you can. So each question I've separated with a single line, and you can see the question is laid out like this. We have a number and then a closing bracket and then a space here. I'll just prove that there's a space, and you can see that the question just runs along the line. The question can run onto subsequent lines. Just make sure that you don't press enter. Just let the paragraph continue when you're typing it in. Each of the answers is then below the question, and you can see I'm using A, B, C, D. Again, use the answer with a dot and then place a space between the dot and the actual answer. The correct answer is indicated with an asterisk, and either of these can be things that you hard type in. So here you can see I've just hard typed these in, so it's B dot, then a space and then the answer. Or you can use the bullet point feature of Word. That seems to work okay. So I've got my 4 questions here, and they're all laid out. And hopefully you can see that formatting. It's quite important to try and be consistent here, because when you try and do the import into Respondus, it will fall over if it's not correct. So I'll save that and we'll move over to the Respondus software.